Delegates to the forthcoming GEN15 event in Dallas should expect to see and hear more about the MEF's plans for the Third Network and LSO, with a record number of proofs of concept on show.
The great part about GEN15 is we will have all the industry players there. The decision makers, the thought leaders, the people who shape the industry are there. They're ready to talk, and most importantly, they're also ready to listen. And so GEN15 is really an opportunity to share those ideas, and the proof of concepts are, if nothing else, they're a great conversation starter about what is possible, and it's a chance for those in the industry to show what is possible.
We have a set of world-class speakers. They're coming from all over the world, and primarily from our service provider community. Obviously our vendor community as well as software, plus all the enterprises that start coming. I'm looking forward to it.
GEN15 is really bringing together all of the main topical areas that we're involved in: the future of Care Ethernet, the migration strategies to agile, assured, orchestrated services, the impact of we have 14, for example, proof of concept demonstrations showing cases, different aspects of the evolution of the market. We're looking at issues from a retail business services perspective, a wholesale perspective, what's going to be happening with Ethernet in 5G, where is it at for 4G, so really all issues of Ethernet and beyond.
There are going to be 14 proofs of concept at GEN15. There were only 6 the last time. And I'm hoping that those will show us what experience people have gained. And it's not like, okay, they've conquered it, it's done, it's over with. We're all on a road to learning more and deploying it much more widely. And the pioneers, if they're willing to tell us what their experience has been, are extremely valuable for everyone else to hear.
Well, the industry is focused on software-defined everything and network functions virtualization, basically taking network functions today that are delivered in boxes and being able to deliver them as apps. And so that's a really huge area. But I think in GEN15, one of the interesting things we're doing is our proof of concept showcase. Very, very popular last year. We've expanded that. And that's going to allow people to see the MEF work in action. People actually take work that's a work in progress, actually implement parts of it, show it off, and then feed that back into the MEF to further develop the standards.
They're going to be talking a lot about the Third Network, LSO. They're going to be talking about how do you enable more dynamic provisioning of services. So a customer wants something, how do they go on the web, order it up, have the service available immediately?
I think industry is focused and will be focused in November on orchestration, on automation, on virtualization. Now, virtualization is a tool. SDN is a tool. They are very effective tool to deliver, but the overall goal is actually to automate and to orchestrate and to streamline service delivery. And I think this is what we're going to see in GEN15.
Well, I'm sure LSO and the Third Network are going to be the hot topic there. What I think you'll find is that there'll be more discussion about the details of that and exactly what it means. And I think you're also going to see some good things going on in the industry and perhaps some demonstrations and proof of concepts. It's going to be a great event.